Hi, my name is Bhavini Kalari and today I'll be showing you 3 ways to protect your wealth after your death. I'll be talking about making a will, business property relief and gifting, so keep watching to find out more. If you don't take the proper measures to protect your estate upon your death, the assets you pass on to your inheritors may be heavily taxed, as an inheritance tax of 40% applies to the value of assets beyond the 325,000 nil rate band. Planning ahead is especially important for business owners who don't want to risk having their business crippled or ruined by a big inheritance tax bill after they're gone. Here are 3 ways you can protect your wealth after your death. Number 1. Make a will now. Without a will, the state decides how your assets are allocated. However, if you make a will allocating assets below the 325,000 threshold to various family members, each of these bequests will be inheritance tax free. In terms of protecting your business, a will allows you to allocate your business assets to the beneficiaries whom you want to take over the business and who will understand your business affairs when executing your will. It is essential that a solicitor reviews your will against your company articles to ensure that there is no conflict as to how your business assets will be treated after your death. Number 2, consider business property relief. BPR is one of the most valuable tax reliefs available to business owners, but you must meet a number of conditions in order to qualify, and BPR cannot apply to businesses dealing in security and shares, land and property, or making and holding investments. One of the key conditions needed to qualify for BPR is that your business must consistently be wholly or mainly a trading business. To determine whether your business meets this criteria, several factors must be considered, such as how directors and employees spend their time and the business's different sources of revenue. Although there are additional conditions to be met, and even though some of the business's assets may not qualify for the relief, a successful application for BPR can mean 50 or 100% exemption from inheritance tax on some or all of your business assets, including shares, land, machinery, equipment, or buildings. This makes BPR well worth looking into with the guidance of a specialist solicitor. For business owners who possess agricultural land used to grow crops or rear animals intensively, you may reap equally significant tax relief of up to 100% if you qualify for agricultural property relief. And finally, number 3, gifting. Gifting business assets to future beneficiaries or trusts within your lifetime and giving donations to charities can be effective ways to reduce IHT on your business. There are certain gifts that are exempt from taxes up to a given threshold, such as wedding gifts and gifts to your spouse or civil partner, which may be beneficial to reducing your IHT. Lifetime gifts not included under tax exemptions usually qualify as potentially exempt transfers, but they are only exempt from IHT if the gift is given at least 7 years prior to your death. If the gift is given 3 years before your death, then the full IHT will apply. Note that to qualify as a tax-exempt gift, you must no longer benefit in any way from the asset you have given. As this is a complex area of tax law, legal advice should be sought when preparing a viable IHT reduction plan involving lifetime gifting. There are additional tactics that may be employed to reduce your IHT, allowing you to protect your wealth and business assets. At the London Law Practice, we specialise in wealth protection and can help you manage your wealth on an ongoing basis. Contact us today to book a free initial consultation or for more information on our services.